Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Be sure to check yung iyong natal chart. Ayan. And kasali rin pala yung Venus and Jupiter sign dito ha. So, if you do have that in your chart, your Virgo is, yung placement niya is nasa, yung Sun, Moon, and Rising Venus, Jupiter mo ay nasa Virgo. Ayan, this reading might be for you. Pwedeng sa'yo. Pwede rin naman kasing hindi. Kasi pwede ko namang hindi makuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Normal yon ha. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, madam. Space, P. Lagyan mo pa ng space sa dulo. Ayan, para mas madali mong ma-search sa Facebook. So, let's start. You do have here the 6 of Wands. Ayan. Kung ayaw mo na ganitong klaseng reading, pwede ka naman po mag-next video. Pa-comment na lang po dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. So, simulan natin for the sign of Virgo. 6 of Wands. What's with the 6 of Wands? 6 of Wands is clarified by the star. Okay. Queen of Swords is here at the bottom of the deck. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwede may mga bagay ka naiisipan i-cut off ngayon, mga bagay na dapat tapusin, kasi parang you feel like it's completion na to eh. With the world, parang na okay na eh, nakuha mo na yung mga lessons na dapat mong matutunan doon, may mga na-experience ka na doon, na parang you feel like okay ka na, parang gato ganyan. And the Justice card is here, so maybe it has something to do with your career. Yung iba, this is something na may legal eh, usaping legal, so maybe marriage, or any contracts, ayan, partnership, pwede. And the Chariot is here, so nandun yung parang, nandun na yung pag-iisip mo na i-let go, lumayo, umalis, things like that. So, nakakakita tayo dito ng victory with the star. I feel like a lot of people sees you as the star. Hindi all the time nandyan yung star eh, di ba? Halimbawa, pag tumingin ka sa sky, hindi all the time makikita mo yung star. And that is you, no? There's something sa'yo na parang nakikita ng ibang tao na parang sabihin na nating lulubog lilitaw. Hindi ka nila matansya. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung bagay na gusto mo talaga. No, this could be people na malapit sa iyo, like your friends, your supporters, your family. Ayan. And although ganon, na mahirap kang tansyahin, nandun yung support nila para sa iyo. Okay? I can see a lot of people na nakasuporta para sa iyo. And I can see someone here na parang nandyan lagi para sa iyo. Tapos, ikaw, kung saan mo gusto pumunta. Basta ako, nandito ako, tutulungan kita, i-help kita. Nandito ako, like not only support eh, pero siya yung taga-go. Parang ikaw lang yung kailangan mo lang siya sabihin kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari, kung ano yung path na gusto mong gawin. And then, nandyan siya to support you, to help you na makarating ka doon, na maisakatuparan mo kung ano yung plano mo or yung gusto mong mangyari dito. Okay? And, sino yung person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Sino itong person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Spirit guides, angel guides, please. What do we have here for the sign of ano to? Virgo. Yeah, I'm hearing the sign of Aquarius. So this could be maybe your friends. Actually, pagdating sa love, this person is the 4 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Tell me about this. Page of Swords. Nakita tayo ng dalawang pages dito. So, I don't know if there's children na involved sa inyo. Like, maybe 1 or 2. O, pwede may anak kayo ng person na to or what. Pero kung wala naman, this could be your person na pwedeng, kung mag-isip siya, minsan may isip bata lang tong taon to. Pero for now, parang hindi siya sigurado regarding sa emotions na nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. And or, hence, yung kanyang emotions para sa'yo. Parang hindi siya rin sure regarding doon. No? Eh, pero ano ba talagang emotion niyo sa isa't isa? Kunin natin yan. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? Two of Pentacles is here. So, there's this energy of bago-bago. Katulad ng utak mo, katulad ng isip mo na pabago-bago, pati sa emosyon mo pabago-bago. The Four of Swords is here. I feel like for now, parang pinapanalangin, pinapanalangin mo na lang muna. Parang hindi ka na muna nagfo-focus regarding sa emotions mo, etc. And the Ace of Pentacles, maybe a lot of you is mas nagfo-focus ka regarding sa mga new beginnings mo, maybe regarding your finances, and nakakita tayo dito ng mga challenges regarding dito. And I feel like for now, hindi ka nagiging truthful regarding other people in your life na willing to support you. Maybe hindi mo sinasabi sa kanila kung ano talagang intentions mo or ang situation mo. And then maybe these are the people that could really help you na mabago yung sitwasyon mo. And itong person na to is like, this could be father or mother figure sa buhay mo. You keep on praying for all the things na medyo pinag-iisipan or iniisip mo ngayon. And I feel like wala ka namang focus talaga pagdating sa love. But what I see here is that your focus is more about your self, diba? Sarili mo and mga tao sa paligid mo na I feel like sila yung mga tao sa paligid mo na nakakaalam na talaga ang sitwasyon mo. But there are people in your life na parang sinisikreto or tinatago mo naman talaga sa kanila kung ano yung totoo. Wala akong nakitang emotion regarding the person na kakonect mo. So, who is this person? I mean, ano yung emotions niya for you? Emotion ng person na kakonect mo. The Tower is here. Clarified Tower. This could be an ex or something ended sa inyong dalawa ng person na to. The Magician. The Page of Pentacles. Page of Cups. Yung iba pwede may children na involved dito. I feel like itong person na to is willing na ibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay na kailangan mo materially, emotionally, nakita ko na, I don't know if this is another person, yung iba kasi another person to eh. Nakita ko ng another person dito which is showing as the Emperor. Parang person na walang pakialam but there's something na nararamdaman itong person nito sa'yo. Pwedeng hindi nga lang siya sumasagot regarding sa, I don't know, sa mga messages mo, not replying at all. And pwede itong person na to has a lot of options or may other options siya regarding sa love. But this person, nakakaramdam tayo ng love dito. The Magician is not being truthful. So, nakakita tayo dito ng person na hindi nagiging totoo regarding sa emotions niya. The Moon, I feel like this is a secret. And the Tower, nakakakita ako ng, I feel like there's another person na parang nag-end yung love or yung emotion niya para sa'yo. It could be another person. Bakit nangyari yun? Pero namimiss ka niya. And I feel like yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may relationship pa or may situationship sa inyong dalawa. Namimiss ka niya. I feel like namimiss niya yung yung the lovers is here. This is Gemini energy. Yung pagbibigay mo ng love or the Seven of Cups. Parang sa ngayon, pwedeng nag-end or nawala yung love dito. But I feel like madali namang ibalik. It's just that kailangan makita niya muna sa'yo yung love na yon bago niya ibalik yung love na yon na nararamdaman niya for you, parang ganun. Parang ngayon dinidiktahan niya muna yung emosyon na dapat niya maramdaman for you. Alam mo yun. So, what will happen in the near future para sa inyong dalawa, for the sign of Virgo, near future sa inyong dalawa, for the sign of Virgo. In the near future, you do have here the High Priestess, the Chariot. This is Cancer energy. Ramdam ako bigla ng hilo. I don't know if you do have problem with your health. Pwedeng you're very stressed na ngayon. Nakita ko dito ng mga friends or people in your life na parang either gusto mong i-cut off or literal na pwedeng maka-cut off or mawawala bigla sa buhay mo kasi may pag-aaway, pagkakagulo dito. So, pwedeng there's a problem. So, yung particular problem na yun will lead into both of you na parang kailangan yung magkaroon ng pagka-cut off, pag-iwalay, paglayo. And I feel like this is a friend, no? Who could be a friend na bumalik na sa buhay mo tapos mawawala ulit. Parang ganun. And it is because of a particular pag-aaway na pwedeng hindi man sa'yo, pero sa paligid mo, paligid niyo, parang magiging involved ka, no? Bigyan ka ng example. For example, ikaw, you do have a friend, no? Tapos yung may other friend pa kayo. Then because of this pag-aaway nilang dalawa, magiging involved ka kasi magiging dahilan para mawala itong taong ito sa buhay mo. Like, siya na yung iiwas kasi ganito ganyan, ayaw ko maging involved sa inyo, etc. etc. Example lang yon. Hindi ko sinabing yun yung pinaka-situation mo, but there's a possibility na maging ganun. Maging involved ka sa pag-aaway nila, tas that will be the reason of pagka-cut off of this particular friend, no? And you do have here the King of Cups. You are someone na you know kung paano magmahal, paano magpakita ng pagmamahal, but you are also the type of person na parang professional kasi with the King of Swords. And I feel like with the Hermit, you will be focusing on your home, yourself, more likely sa tahanan. Yan, family is also included here. And other relationships sa buhay mo with the Two of Cups. Okay? So, that will be the future sa'yo. Pagdating sa love, wala tayong masyadong nakikita dito. All I know is, medyo mas magiging okay pa yung love for you mga bare months pa. For now, medyo kalmado lang muna. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.